For 1,000 years, morning found the walls still there. Moat before wall, wall behind wall, towers behind towers. The walls could not promise safety. They could buy time. But by 1453, the Eastern Roman Empire had shrunk toward its capital. The walls had been built for a larger empire. Across the field, a 21-year-old sultan looked toward them. Mehmed did not need one decisive blow. If one attack failed, he could press somewhere else. He had tightened the Bosporus with Rumeli Hizari. Then in April, the siege closed around the city. Guns struck the land walls, engineers worked the earth, infantry waited behind them, the fleet threatened from the water. Supply roads kept powder, food, timber, men moving toward the siege. The great bombards mattered, but no cannon won the city alone. The wall was not one wall. The moat slowed the approach. The outer wall slowed them again. Behind it stood the inner wall. By day, cannon opened breaches. By night, defenders filled them again. Under torchlight, hands carried timber, earth, barrels, broken masonry. A gap became a barricade. A breach opened at sunset, could be closed enough to defend by dawn. Stone bought time, people paid for it.
We held yesterday, we held through the night. Stone bought us one more morning, then morning asked again.
The Golden Horn had its own defense, a great chain closed the harbor mouth. Ottoman ships could not simply pass through. So Mehmed stopped trying to force the chain. He changed the route. Ships crossed prepared ground north of Galata, hauled overland into the Golden Horn. The chain still stretched across the harbor mouth, but the ships were behind it. It had not been broken, it had been bypassed. Now the same defenders had another front to watch. We held at the wall, then ships appeared inside.
One front became another,
and morning asked again. Day after day the artillery returned. Not every shot needed to shatter a tower. Every breach repaired needed hands. Every tower held needed men. Byzantines fought beside Genoese, Venetians and others. Giovanni Giustiniani held the land defense where the fighting was hardest. Courage was still there. What they were running out of was men, sleep, stone, time. The walls were still standing. The defenders had less left to give. By late May, the walls showed weeks of bombardment and repair. Fresh earth over old stone, timber bracing broken masonry, men sleeping beside the places they had repaired. No single shot was going to decide it. There was only another attack and less left to meet it. Before dawn on the 29th of May, the final assault came again. Waves reached the damaged defenses. Again, the defenders resisted. Giustiniani was wounded and taken from the fighting. The attack kept coming. Constantine the 11th remained with the defenders and died as the defense came apart. A gap opened again. This time they could not close it. The breach was a moment. The siege had made the moment possible. By morning, Constantinople had been taken. The Byzantine Empire ended.
The city did not.
Mehmed made the conquered capital
A center of Ottoman power.
Hagia Sophia became an imperial mosque.
Palaces rose, markets revived.
Harbors filled again.
People were brought in to repopulate the city.
Then came rebuilding.
The ruler changed.
The city continued. Later generations used 1453 to mark the end of one age and the beginning of another. But history does not change on a single date. The fall did not invent the Renaissance. It did not close every road to Asia.
It did not make walls useless.
What it did show was a changing world. Old fortifications now faced gunpowder siege systems. Ottoman power now held the imperial city. One empire ended, another was beginning in the same streets.
Morning reached the Bosporus.
The same water touched the same shore.
The domes remained.
The streets remained.
The tide still moved through the harbor.
For 1,000 years morning had risen
On an empire behind those walls.
Now it rose on the city.
Without it,
The city did not disappear.
its empire did.